Think a plant can't eat frogs? Watch this. Meet the pitcher plant, the coolest carnivore in your garden. Pitcher plants are fascinating carnivorous plants known for their unique pitfall traps that capture and digest insects. Proper cultivation requires attention to their specific environmental needs. Here's an in-depth guide to growing pitcher plants successfully. 1. Species selection. There are 2 primary genera of pitcher plants. Sarracenia. Also known as North American pitcher plants, they thrive in full sun and are hardy in USDA zones. SAR 6 through 8. Nepenthes. Known as tropical or Asian pitcher plants, they prefer bright, indirect light and higher humidity. 2. Light requirements. Sarracenia. Require full sunlight, ideally at least 6 hours of direct sun daily. Nepenthes. Prefer bright, indirect light. Avoid direct midday sun to prevent leaf burn. 3. Temperature and humidity. Sarracenia. Adapted to temperate climates and can tolerate a range of temperatures but may require protection from extreme cold. Nepenthes. Divided into highland and lowland species, each with specific temperature needs. Highland species. Prefer cooler nights, 60 degrees, and moderate daytime temperatures, 80 degrees. Lowland species. Prefer consistently warm temperatures, 75 to 85 degrees, and high humidity. 4. Soil and potting mix. Use a well-draining, low-nutrient medium. A common mix includes sphagnum moss combined with perlite or sand. Avoid regular potting soil, as it retains too much moisture and nutrients, which can harm pitcher plants. 5. Watering. Maintain consistently moist soil using distilled water, rainwater, or reverse osmosis water to prevent mineral buildup. Avoid tap water, which may contain minerals harmful to pitcher plants. During the growing season, stand the pots in about 2 cm, just under an inch of water, and avoid watering from the top. In winter, keep the soil just damp, rather than wet. 6. Feeding. Insects provide essential nutrients. If grown indoors with limited insect access, feed monthly with dried insects or diluted orchid fertilizer applied directly to the pitchers. Avoid overfeeding, as this can lead to pitcher rot. 7. Dormancy. Sarracenia species require a winter dormancy period of about 3 to 4 months with reduced temperatures, around 35 to 50 degrees, and decreased light. During this time, reduce watering and cease feeding. Nepenthes do not require dormancy and should be kept in stable conditions year-round. 8. Pruning and maintenance. Remove dead or dying pitchers to prevent mold growth. Trim back old growth in early spring to encourage new development. Regularly inspect for pests like aphids or mealybugs and treat promptly if detected. 9. Repotting. Repot every 2 to 3 years in early spring before the growing season begins. Choose a slightly larger pot and refresh the potting medium to provide adequate space and nutrients. 10. Additional tips. Humidity. Maintain high humidity, especially for Nepenthes. Indoor growers can use humidity trays or room humidifiers. Air circulation. Ensure good air circulation to prevent fungal issues, but avoid placing plants in direct drafts. Avoid fertilizers. Do not use standard fertilizers in the soil, as pitcher plants are adapted to nutrient-poor environments and can be harmed by excess nutrients. By closely mimicking their natural habitats and attending to these specific care requirements, you can successfully cultivate healthy and vibrant pitcher plants. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to add this bug-catching beauty to your collection, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting plant tips.